My name is Mike Pitts. I'm your sales director for Charmac Trailers. Behind me is our Gen 3 Snow Sport at 26 foot. We finished this one off in silver with our black trim package. You can see the black caps, the black trim around the bottom, but it also includes our 48-inch tread bride up front. Let's get into the details. So starting up front, the big focus for Charmac Trailers this year is on quality. You can see even starting in the hitch area, not only are our frames painted front to back, but you've also got a Duracoat liner material on your hitch area and fender wells, which we'll see inside. This one, we optioned for a 2-inch ball hitch and a manual jack, although that is still available with a hydraulic or electric option. We've also included our dual propane tanks to feed the furnace inside and manual shutoff here. Our Snow Sports are optioned with the 75-inch wide front loading ramp. You can see we went with the bar locks on this one. No more messy locks there for your padlocks banging against the sides. Everything's all internal now. On the front ramp, we've added our rubber diamond plate liner to keep you moving forward. On this one, we actually also added the Trax mat, available from Caliber products. The side of the Snow Sports also includes a standard 36-inch man door for easy access once you're out of the truck. All of our Motorsport models come with a little wider spread axle set. This one's running dual 5,200-pound axles at a 48-inch center between the axles. A little more stability while you're running down the highway, a little extra ground clearance on these new Snow Sports as well for those off-highway, off-camber situations. We've added a fuel door to this model, making for a little easier reloading and fuel storage. So starting at the back here, you're able to see the additional gussets on our new and improved spoiler on the back. Those gussets are just the first part of the new quality initiative that Charmac is rolling out for 2025 and 2026. Our new rear lighting includes turn signals, backup lights, and tail lights, all packed into the same package. So we're cutting down on all the amount of entry points into the frame. We've also included new load lights on the rear, moved your license plate holder up high. We've continued with the bar locks on the rear as well. Let's pop them open, take a look inside. This Snow Sport is finished in a white aluminum interior, roof, walls, and floor all insulated. As you can see, we've got the same rubber diamond plate material on the floor, helping with the extra traction. And for keeping your sleds tight and secure, we've optioned 6 medium-duty recessed D-rings on this one. Well, let's move through some options and features. This one, starting back here, we've got our spare tire mount up nice and high out of the way, entrance to our fuel door that we saw outside. This new fold-down bench assembly with a spring-loaded latch. Bungee cords need no longer apply. And a fold-out table. With dual locks on both sides. Up above, we've got our onesie rack, keeping everything nice and dry after a long day on the trail. Just inside your man door here to the right, you've got your thermostat. We've got our basic overhead light switches and exterior light switches, as well as a battery disconnect switch. And, back by popular demand, the cut holders. Just inside the V-nose is our standard trickle charger included on, so anytime your Jenny's running, you're charging phones, you're keeping lights on, and you're rocking out, battery's charging up as well. With the optional furnace on this model, we went ahead and added a fire extinguisher and a propane gas detector. Keep everybody safe. Our Motorsports Series trailers, we recess our battery box into the floor to keep everything protected. Back on the inside of the V-nose, we've got another coat rack storage here, also extendable, making room for everybody. Just above that, we have optioned 3 cabinets with flat face latches on these, keeping it out of the way of danger. Included in the cabinet package up front, we've got USB chargers up front, 2 USB-C, 1 USB-A. We've also ducted the furnace into this interior storage cabinet, so we can be keeping helmets, gloves, boots, everything warm while you're out on the trail. The furnace we included on this one is a 40,000 BTU unit, more than capable of keeping everything nice and toasty in here. And this customer optioned a rear window, added on the passenger side rear of the trailer to increase a little ventilation. Now this 2026 Snow Sport does demonstrate a lot of the standard features we include on a higher end model like this, but there really is no limit to what we can customize, from the additional dome lighting, the additional switches, cup holders, bench, coat racks, windows and doors. For a full list of available options and potential customizable features, visit our website or reach out to your local dealer. We'd love to hear from you.